What up guys, welcome to another new fresh tutorial of PowerPoint. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this infographic slide animation on just PowerPoint. Without wasting any time, let's get started. At first you have to take a blank slide, then go to design, select format background and change its color. Then take a donut shape and drag it over here by holding the shift key. Then go to the shape outline and make no outline. And go to the shape wheel and change its color. After that, take a block arc shape and place it over here by holding the shift key. Resize as same as the donut shape. Also change its weight as same as the donut shape. Rotate it and give it an amount according to your value. Then go to the shape outline and make no outline. And go to the shape wheel and change its color. Then take a text box, enter a rating value, increase its size and change its color. Also change the font style to Cen MT. After that, take a 5-point star shape and drag it over here by holding the shift key. Then go to the shape outline and make no outline and go to the shape wheel and change its color. Now select the text box and star shape and press Ctrl+G to group them. Select all the objects and press Ctrl+D to duplicate and place it here and again press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Then change the color of the shapes. Now add some information to give it a better look. I'm adding some sample text from my previous slide. Now it's time to animate them. Go to animation, select this text box and go to add animation and choose float in. Then go to effect options and choose float down. Then select this text box, go to add animation and choose fade. And select after previous. Now select the donut shape and go to add animation and choose fade. Change its delay 0.50 second and select after previous. After that, select the block arc shape and go to add animation and choose wheel. Change its duration 1.50 second and select after previous. Now select this text box, go to add animation and choose zoom. Change its duration 1 second and select with previous. After that, select this text box, go to add animation, choose float in. Change its duration 0.50 second and select after previous. Now select this text box, go to add animation, choose float in. Change its duration 0.50 second and select after previous. Now just repeat the same process to other objects, so I skipped that part to save your time. Here our slide is ready. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.